The microchips are logging the data correctly.
Yes, breathing and mass indicators are stable.
The aerial perspective highlights the sheer volume of Trimeresurus food raw material. Advanced robotics and AI.
This Trimeresurus Pit Viper is undergoing critical verification. A laser scanner reads the
A specialized pneumatic mechanism precisely lifts and inverts the container holding the live Pit Viper.
Chamber seal integrity confirmed.
Drying schedule verified. Starting process A.
The scrapers are maintaining the correct pressure.
Good, we need to minimize particulates before grinding.
Under laminar flow, the robotic filler ensures the exact mass of product A is delivered. The check weigher The vault seals hermetically, finalizing the security of the lyophilized venom powder. A biometric
The AGV carries the venom base material into the high-security BSL-4 isolation zone for pharmaceutical preparation.
Here in the BSL-4 facility, we see the initial Process B material intake. The robotic arm
Easy now, boy. Just a little pinch. You're doing great.
A measured microdose of the reconstituted venom solution is administered via automated syringe pump for a
The raw plasma viability looks consistent for Process B.
Confirmed. Flow rate is stable across all units.
In Process B, the precisely measured pepsin solution initiates the cleavage of the IgG molecule into the potent Fab fragments.
Processus harmonefslov dalid stretching land like a sublimer.
Manifest confirms product B shipment, 40 pallets.
Confirmed. Temperature logs look good. Move it quickly to storage.
The Trimeresurus Antivenom. Keep it cool.
Understood. We'll administer immediately.
The Trimeresurus subregional antivenom, or Product B, requires meticulous management. Each batch
The antivenom is fully administered. Vitals are steady.
Noted. Patient's blood pressure is normalizing.
The patient is responding rapidly to the regional antivenom. It's a testament to the specialized Trimeresurus product.
The results are impressive, Doctor.
Maintaining the readiness of the Trimeresurus antivenom, or Product B, is a continuous process here at the base. Every vial is logged immediately upon use.
As you can see by this empty vial of product B, the polyvalent serum successfully neutralized the venom. It's incredibly effective.
Oh, thank goodness. We are so grateful, Doctor.
This regional antivenom base material is verified. We confirm the batch number and the expiry date ensures suitability for immediate local deployment.
Thank you so much, Doctor.
Glad to see you back on your feet. Take care.
Showcasing the ergonomic design of the 5 milliliter glass syringe. The pre-filled format
Trimeresurus Antivenom, Product B, maintained at 4 degrees Celsius.
Excellent. We will integrate it immediately. Thank you.
The antivenom is fully administered now. Just try to relax.
I feel much better already. Thank you.
The Trimeresurus specific antivenom, Product B, rapidly neutralized the toxins. As demonstrated here, the
This is automation. The robotic automation ensures every vial of this serum is perfectly consistent and highly effective.
Okay, looking good. Pupils are reactive, the treatment is working.
It's good to see her resting comfortably. The antivenom worked perfectly.
It certainly did. We are ready for the morning rounds.
This product B covers the critical Trimeresurus species. The polyvalent nature ensures broad regional coverage and protection.
It is fully viable now. We appreciate the cooperation.
Thank you.
Thanks.
This serum is critical for the region.
The culmination of the process, Product B, the life-saving antivenom serum, ready for immediate use.